104th academic year was a year to remember. A year that saw us win competitions and claim championships, adapt to changing health guidelines, offer 50-plus programs, serve more than 6,000 students, supporting them in and beyond the classroom. An award-winning education that ensures our students are job-ready when they graduate. Hands-on learning has always been our focus. 77% of our programs offer work-integrated learning within their curriculum. So whether our students came to Lakeland this year to build a business, run a farm, put out fires, manage a daycare, or work in environmental sustainability, they learned by doing. We continue to offer programs to meet the needs of industry, our region, and provincial economy. Our programs are vetted through our industry partners and advisory committees. With their support, we developed new programs. With the support of the Government of Alberta, we also have the opportunity to expand enrollment this fall in our animal health technology and healthcare aid programs. We continue to invest in the spaces and places for our students to excel. Despite the challenges of the pandemic, we continue to offer our programs on campus and in person, and we had much to celebrate. We welcomed new members to our Board of Governors, including our Chair Adam Waterman, Dr. Sean Lazard, and Dean Fosselt. Members of our Indigenous Student Committee created a new land acknowledgement for our campus community. We developed new partnerships with other post-secondary institutions that benefit our students, including a new degree transfer pathway with the University of Alberta. Our research team grew with a new director, researchers, and staff, all who help offer real solutions to real challenges and new opportunities to help producers and industry. There are currently 39 active projects and 78 unique research partnerships at Lakeland. Thanks to the support of Results-Driven Agriculture Research, Alberta Innovates, Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council of Canada, Alberta's Research Capacity Program, Canada Foundation for Innovation, and our other partners, exciting research projects continued at Lakeland. We celebrated the successful conclusion of our leading Learning the Lakeland campaign, Lakeland's most successful fundraising campaign to date. Throughout the year, our donors continued to support our students, creating new opportunities in and beyond the classroom. And we made headlines with the achievements of our staff and students. made us proud, making their mark on the provincial and national stage. They won numerous medals, finishing their most successful year to date. This year also saw our Rustlers Nation expand with a women's hockey team that will join the ACAC this fall. Each year, Lakeland adds more than $130 million to the regional economy through our operations, student spending, and alumni impact. We continue to strengthen rural sustainability by attracting people to our region for training, educating the local workforce, participating in research to enhance industry, and providing facilities for community activities. We finished our 104th academic year by celebrating a return to convocation ceremonies on campus. Our class of 2022 is resilient and ready to make an immediate impact. They're prepared for what comes next because the real world doesn't wait.